Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing guys how to copy and share your thread profile link. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is to use that you simply need to log into your thread account. Once you're there, you simply click on this profile on your profile here. After which you simply click on what share profile. Once you're there, you simply click on what shared. So guys, you can now share this profile link to anybody you want or any social media platform. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.